Hey guys, okay, here we are, part 3. We have inscribed things. We've got inscribed angles, inscribed triangles, inscribed polygons. Really fun stuff. Let's take a look. How about we do it in green? I like the green color a lot. So, central angles. Whatever they were was congruent to the arc. Inscribed angles are smaller, so they're not the same, but half, okay? So if that angle is 40, that makes x double 80 degrees, okay? In number 24, we have a 4-sided shape, a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. When that happens, opposite angles add to 180. So Q plus 80 equals 180. And 4R plus 100 equals 180. Oh, no, you can't see that. There it is. That's what I just said. Okay. So finding the value of each variable, if I subtract the 80, I get that Q equals 100. And over here, if I subtract the 100, I get 80 equals 4R. So divide the 4, and R equals 20. Okay? So please remember, quadrilateral, opposite angles, supplementary. Add to 180. Okay. Let's take a look here. Okay, so here is something special. Here we have this angle and this angle, both opening up to the same intercepted arc. I don't need to know what the arc is. I know these angles have to be congruent because they've got the same arc. So I know that that 70 must equal the 14D. Divide the 14. And then I've got D equals, what is that, 5? I think so. Okay. Next, number 26. So here's the deal. If I have a triangle in a circle and the diameter is part of it, then the angle across the diameter is a right angle. So that 3y equals 90. So that means that y equals 30. Okay? And now, if I've got myself a right triangle, and this angle here is 50, and that angle is unknown, well, I know these two angles have to add up to 90, because 90 plus 90 is 180, okay? If you've forgotten that, you can go 90 plus 50 plus 4z equals 180, all right? But I really don't want you guys to be so quick to forget. You guys knew this last chapter. So 50 plus 4z equals 90. It's the most efficient way to do this. Subtract the 50 from both sides. 4z equals 40. Z equals 10. Okay. Over here, we got to find each angle. So here we have M and that 44 both opening up to the same arc, VT. So M equals 44. And then on the other side, we've got this angle N and this angle 39, both opening up to this arc RS, same arc. So that means that N equals 39. Well, that was easy. Okay. Over here, number 28. Very similar to number 23, all right? My angle is smaller than the arc. okay? My inscribed angle is smaller than the arc because you can see the arc's congruent to the central angle, and the central angle is hecka bigger than that inscribed angle. So if the inscribed angle is smaller and I want the arc, I double it to get a bigger number, 80. But here I've got the arc. This is the bigger number. I want it to become smaller so I could get that inscribed angle, so I will divide it by 2. 56 divided by 2, is that 28, you guys? I believe it is. C equals 28. All right, and that's it for that one. Okay, I'll catch you guys in the last part.